Hello, this is going to be a quick one. I just wanted to show everyone where I'm at with my mini machine shop build. I'm at the point where I'm just bringing everything else in and trying to fit it into a place. I'm getting a lot closer, but I'm not there yet. Here, let me show you around real quick. That's some stuff I had just thrown in a box because I used to have it up on the wall on the shelf. And it's a lot of my old projects like that 120-year-old drill press, uh, the hand grinder. But I put it up there because I'm trying to clean out the other part of the garage. I still haven't gotten my mini mill or lathe set up. Right there is where the mini lathe is going. The mini mill is going on that platform there. I have stuff just everywhere. I got those cabinets up. That's where all my inspection stuff is going. I set those posters up there. They're going to go on the wall, but I've just got them put up there right now. As you see down here, things are just thrown in there. My fatigue mats, I just threw those down there. Stuff just stacked on the mill, next to the mill. The toolboxes are just jammed. I still have a drill press to bring in here, a shear, a table that's going right there where I'm going to do my videos from. But that's about it. Like I said, this is just a quick video to let everyone see where I'm at and whether I could stuff all this stuff into a mini machine shop. I know where everything's going, and it's just a matter of moving it around. There's a lot more stuff that goes on the walls, cabinets, machines. No problem. If you want to keep up with my progress on this mini machine shop, go to glennow.com. And that's my website. I have a few things there, more of my hobby interests. I have a vlog. The blog I try to keep up at least every other day on what I'm doing out here. And I have a page on there with just update pictures. So if you're interested, go to glennow.com. So until next time, enjoy.